Hey guys, it's Sandeep from Atlas and welcome to yet another video. And in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the samples shot from the Realme 6 smartphone. And before we get started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to avoid missing any further videos from us. Now, I'd like to mention that we have both the Realme 6 and 6 Pro in our office for review, but it's still currently under embargo and we can't post any details or specifications about either of the device. But what we can do currently is actually show you some of the camera samples from the phone. So here's a quick look. Let us know what you think about the photos, and once the embargo is lifted, we'll have more details and videos for you, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you again in the next one.